This is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, and this is an update on that Pine Valley Pioneer Home restoration that we are doing. And I'm standing on about 1.5 feet of slurry. This here is a slurry base. Rather than bring in the road base, which I was thinking I could do, I was going to create too much vibration and thumping in here to try to get the compaction I need, and I'd have to do 6-inch lift compactions on that. And I think that would have really affected the foundation that you saw in previous videos. That was really unstable. So we literally cleaned out all of the grout, all of the pointing that was loose in the foundation, and really hauled it off, really cleaned it out, and we poured about 1.5 feet. And in some places over here, it's close to about 2 feet thick of a slurry. And this was the safest way to really reestablish a real solid foundation for the home. And so today we put in the rebar, and we got a snake. This is a snake pump, concrete pump. We're going to pump some concrete today. So watch how we go about doing that. We've tied it in with rebar. And what I did also is I went and hurried and got some floor outlets. So we'll have some outlet here, another outlet there. We put an outlet over there because I can't run power again through this adobe. There's no way. It's just solid adobe all the way through, almost about 18 inches thick. And then over here, we ran all of our the sewer pretty much where it was. We just adjusted a few things. We got a shower here, we got a vanity over here, and we'll redo a wall here. You can see where the pump's coming in. And then we've got drains over there for sink, and we ran some conduit. We tried to solve as much as we could because running through this solid wall was not an option. So we ran as much of the power and much of the sewer that we could. So watch us pour the job here at the Pine Valley job. It's getting kind of cold. Well, that's a long pour today. A lot of subscribers have been asking me, why not just demo the building? What's the best? Where's the line between getting rid of an entire building or trying to save it? Where's the threshold? Well, when you look at a building, you're looking at several sides. You've got a roof, you've got a side of the walls, and of course you've got your foundation. The worst part of this home was its foundation and the interior floorboards and all that. This here is still in good shape. In fact, we can paint this, make it look real nice. The next thing is the roof. And so you add up all those costs. Would it be beneficial just to tear all this down and build something new? Well, no, because the tear down on this alone would be close to $15,000 to $20,000. And that's money not going right into the home. There's no value there other than ripping something off. Then they got to pull a larger permit for a replacement permit. There's a lot of factors with regard to that. So you weigh your costs when you walk on a job site. You look, okay, there's a cost, there's a cost, there's a cost. Things that need to be done. This didn't need to be done. So we weighed our advantages of just pouring some concrete, and that's what we did. And it will save us on some money because I see a big tree there that's rotted on the other side. We've got to take that tree down because if it falls, it takes the whole house out. So you start looking at all the things that really need to be get done. And then you add up your value and you say, this was the best value of the home. It's still in good shape. So we saved it. I think this home will be around for a long time. If anyone tries to demo this building, they've got 34 yards of concrete to deal with on the inside. So anyway, I'm glad we did it this way. It's going to be a good thing for the homeowner, and we'll save the home for a long time.